Ang dami nagkakayak dito, oh. Ayan, doon sa baba, kung gusto mo magrenta ng ano, ng boat, tulad nung ginagawa nila, oh. Diyan. Pero sa taas ito, sightseeing lang dito sa taas. It is a lake. Lake to, mga Kasamanwa. Tubig alat. Ay, tubig tabang. Ayan. Taas. Ayan mga Kasamanwa, oh. Ang dami nagkakayak. Doon. Doon, ang dami. Tinatawid tayo sa kabila. Kasamanwa, nandito na kami ngayon sa Hatadam at ito'y bakit na ako dun sa taas, bakit na kami sa taas. Actually ito yung dadaanan namin 0.5 mega. Ito yung isa likod, pero punta kami doon sa kabila. Yun talaga yung nandun talaga yung nanundam. Samahan niyo ako kasi medyo may kataasan to. Ayan, may kataasan siya. Sige lang. Ay, makasimano nakakahingal. Ang pagkikip dito, taas pala nito. Ayan, oh. Yan yung ano. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Simbong hata. Diyos ko, hingal na ako. Pataas kasi siya. Si mga ka-works, lakad mo na. May mataas na tayo. Galing ko lalo tayo. Bakit ako lang sa taas? Mga Kasamanwa, ito yung last destination namin. Ito yung Hatadam. Wala pa ako. Sa kalagitan pa lang ako ng ano, ito ng stairs. Yan, ayun sila sa baba. Kasamanwa. Sige. Pagdating sa taas, sa taling ko na. Sama na lang niyo sa paglakad. Hingal na ako. Ayan mga Kasamanwa. Last 5 steps. Dito na tayo sa taas. Nakakahingal. Sa bang taas, ayan o. Look. Ang taas. Okay. Pupunta na tayo ngayon. Ay, mahaba pa rin lalakarin dito. Pero alongside, makikita na yung lake. Ayan, ang dami nagkakayak oh. kasimanwa, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hata Hills Park. Hata Hills Park. Ayan. It's overlooking po siya. It's talaga ika tayo. Tayo sa okay, mga kasimanwa, at maglakad-lakad tayo dito sa Hata Hotel. Sobrang init siya, napakainit masyado, pero syempre andito na rin lang tayo, kahit natin i-tour din tayo, tour natin itong umikot din dito sa paligid. Okay. Nandun yung hotel. Yan. Look at the view. Yung pinaka-view ng hotel. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung per night dito. Siguro siyempre may kamahalan kasi ito yung baka pinaka-tourist spot na rin nila. I think I have to take a picture here. Ay, mga kasimanwa. Wait lang ha.
I got my first real six string, bought it at the five and dime, played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Jody got married. Should've known we'd never get far. Oh, when I look back now, the summer seemed to last forever. And if I had the choice, yeah, I'd
nobody.
I said, who's that?
I said nobody.
May mga kasimanduan ay tatakot tayo. Tour lang tayo sa loob.
I used to think maybe you love me. Now, baby, I'm sure. And I just can't wait till the day when you knock on my door. Now, every time I go for the mailbox, gotta hold myself down. 'Cause I just can't wait till you write me you're coming around. Now I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, and it's starting to feel good. Hey, all right now, and it's starting to feel good. Hey.
May mga kasimanduan tayo na sa Iguan, Campo.
I used to think maybe you love me. Now know that it's true.
Parang tingnan natin mga taas ng araw.
And I don't wanna spend my
Ayan mga kasimanduan, dito tayo sa Hata Hotel. We have to quick tour ko dito sa ano. Sino pa ito?
want you back for the weekend, not back for
Ito quick tour.
and no. I said, baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay.
Ito yung experience ko. Kaya hindi na tayo kung baka may mga kahit sa bus.
I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, it's time to feel good. Hey, all right now, it's time to feel good. Yeah, oh yeah, it's time to feel good.
going out. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Let's make a night. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget it.
Yeah, man. So we back in the club with our bodies rocking from side to side, side to side. Thank God the week is done. I feel like a zombie gone back to life, back to life. Hands up, yeah, suddenly we all got our hands up. No control of my body. Ain't I seen you before? I think I remember those eyes. 'Cause baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again. Yeah, baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again. So dance like it's the last night of your life. Life won't get you right. 'Cause baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again. Keep downing drinks like there's no tomorrow. That's just right now. Gonna set the roof on fire. Gonna burn this motherfucker down. Hands up. When the music drops, we both put our hands up. Put your hands on my body. Swear I've seen you before. I think I remember those eyes. 'Cause baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again. Yeah, baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again. So dance like it's the last night of your life. Life won't get you right. 'Cause baby, tonight the DJ got us falling in love again.
Hear no evil, speak no evil, see no evil. Get it, baby, hope you can't stay like T.O. That's how we roll. My life is a movie and you just TiVo. Mommy got me twisted like a dreadlock. She don't wrestle, but I got her in a headlock. Never do make a bedrock. Mommy on fire, red hot. Bada bing, bada boom. Mr. Worldwide as I step in the room. I'm a hustler, baby, but that you knew. And tonight is just me and you,
Baby,
darling.
tonight the DJ got us falling in love again.
Let's take over the
Yeah,
world.
baby,